Mindfulness in Nature by Bullis. What is mindfulness? Think about the last time you were outside. What do you see, hear, and smell? How do you feel? Being in nature is a perfect time to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is paying attention to how you feel in the moment. It helps you be aware of your relationships. This can be with people or with things, like animals and plants. When you slow down to pay attention, you give your mind space to notice. There is a lot to notice and focus on in nature. It appeals to our senses in a way digital devices can't. Put your devices away and take a walk. Look around you. Notice what you see. Notice what you smell. Do you feel wind or sunshine? Then close your eyes and listen. What do you hear? Notice how your body and mind feel. This is practicing mindfulness. Calming nature. Being connected to nature can calm us. Scientific studies have found that we feel less stress in nature. How it helps. Do you ever feel overwhelmed? It can be hard to let go of your worries. Practicing mindfulness can help you relax. It can help you manage your stress. Sit outside your home. Stop to listen to the noises around you. What can you hear? Noticing these things helps you be in the moment. Do you have a hard day? Go outside and connect with nature. Swing on your favorite swing. Close your eyes and take deep breaths of fresh air. Notice your surroundings. It is okay if you find yourself thinking about your bad day. Redirect your mind to positive thoughts. How is being in nature helping you do this? Notice your environment. Look up. What do you see? Are there shapes in the clouds? Watch how they move. How do you feel? Do you feel calmer? Mindfulness is using nature to connect with yourself. Try growing a plant. Water it daily. Notice how the soil soaks up the water. Watch how it grows each day. Feel thankful and happy for what nature offers us. Watch it grow. Do you have a garden? Or maybe there's a community garden or a farmer's market near you. Visit and notice how many things grow from earth. Practice it. Mindfulness in nature is being respectful of earth and everything in it. Make posters about recycling to hang outside and at school. Be a steward of the environment. This is putting mindfulness into action. Gather family and friends to clean the park. Pick up litter and throw it away or recycle it. Start a nature journal. Draw what you see outside. Maybe it is trees, leaves, and grass. Maybe it is the ocean or a park. Next to your drawings, write descriptions. How did the leaves move in the wind? What did the bugs sound like? Nature journal. Do you see falling leaves? Put them in your journal, too. Over time, they will dry and flatten. You can tape them in, label them, describe how they felt or smelled. Find fun ways to be outside with your family and friends. You could go fishing or have a picnic with your family. You could play outdoor games with your friends. Being outside feels good. It helps us be active and mindful. Be outside however you can. How will you be mindful in nature? Mindfulness in Nature by Bullis.